As we age, especially after turning 50, our immune system naturally undergoes changes, gradually becoming less efficient at recognizing and fighting off infections and various diseases that can affect our health. However, by gaining a deeper understanding of these age-related shifts in our immune response, we can take proactive steps to support our body's natural defenses and maintain robust health throughout the entire year. Essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc are absolutely crucial for optimal immune function, serving as powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage and as immune modulators that help balance our body's defensive responses. You can easily obtain vitamin C from citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as berries such as strawberries and blueberries. Vitamin D from fatty fish, including salmon and mackerel or fortified dairy products, and zinc from nuts like almonds, seeds such as pumpkin seeds, and legumes like chickpeas and lentils. High-quality supplements can effectively bridge any nutritional gaps in your diet, but it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual needs. A healthy gut microbiome is fundamental to maintaining a strong immune system, since it houses around 70% of our immune cells and plays a key role in training them to fight invaders effectively. Probiotic-rich foods such as plain yogurt, fermented kefir, tangy sauerkraut, and spicy kimchi introduce beneficial bacteria that help populate the gut with good microbes, thereby supporting overall gut immunity and digestive health. These fermented foods work diligently to maintain a balanced and diverse microbiome in the intestines, which is vital for preventing harmful pathogens from taking hold and causing infections or other health issues. Time-honored herbal remedies like elderberry, echinacea, and medicinal mushrooms have long been recognized and used traditionally for their potent immune-boosting properties across many cultures. Elderberry is particularly known for its strong antiviral effects that can help reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu, while echinacea works to stimulate the activity and production of key immune cells like white blood cells. Medicinal mushrooms such as reishi, known for its adaptogenic qualities, and shiitake, rich in beta-glucans, contain unique bioactive compounds that enhance the immune response, promote better cellular communication, and support overall vitality and resilience. Quality sleep is not merely a luxury, but an absolute necessity for keeping your immune system well-functioning and resilient against daily threats. During deep sleep stages, our bodies actively produce protective proteins called cytokines, which play a crucial role in targeting and fighting infection, as well as in controlling inflammation throughout the body. To optimize this process, aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted, high-quality sleep each night, allowing your immune system the essential restorative time it needs to recharge and repair. Chronic stress persistently elevates cortisol levels in the body, which in turn can suppress immune function over time and make you significantly more susceptible to catching illnesses like colds or flu. Simple yet effective practices like daily meditation, deep diaphragmatic breathing exercises, and spending quality time in nature can significantly lower stress levels, reduce cortisol, and thereby bolster your immunity effectively. Even moderate exercise routines, such as daily walking for 30 minutes or gentle yoga sessions, can greatly enhance your immune response by improving blood circulation and helping to reduce systemic inflammation. Regular physical activity promotes the efficient circulation of immune cells throughout the body, enabling them to better detect, reach, and combat pathogens wherever they may arise more effectively. To successfully maintain a strong and resilient immune system as you age, consider adopting a simple daily routine that thoughtfully incorporates all these proven immune boosters. Kickstart your day with a nutrient-rich breakfast featuring fresh fruits and probiotic yogurt. Make sure to include probiotic foods throughout your meals and finish with a short, invigorating walk outdoors. Throughout the day, dedicate specific time slots for stress reduction activities like mindfulness, and prioritize winding down early to ensure you get the adequate, restorative sleep your body needs each night. While these natural strategies are undeniably powerful for daily support, always remember the critical importance of staying up to date with recommended vaccinations to protect against serious illnesses like flu or pneumonia. Combining these effective natural immune-boosting practices with personalized medical advice from your doctor provides the most comprehensive and well-rounded approach to staying healthy and vibrant after 50. By consistently embracing these healthy habits into your lifestyle, you can truly empower your body to thrive, ward off illnesses, and enjoy a vibrant, active, and healthy life well into your later years.